Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you restart an MSI monitor. So here's a guide for your power cycle, OSD reset, and input detect. Method 1. Use the power button. Step 1. Press the power button on the monitor to turn it off. Step 2. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 3. Press the power button again to turn the monitor back on. Method 2. Power cycle the monitor. Step 1. Turn off the monitor. Step 2. Unplug the power cable from the monitor or the wall outlet. Step 3. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Step 4. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds while unplugged to discharge any remaining power. Step 5. Plug the power cable back in. Step 6. Turn the monitor on. Method 3. Restart after changing settings. If the monitor isn't responding after changing settings, follow the below steps. Step 1. Turn off the monitor. Step 2. Restart your computer or gaming console. Step 3. Turn the monitor back on after the device has fully started. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.